Hello, I'm Tarotist Maggie Norton, and today I'd like to bring you the Tarot card of the week. We've already shuffled and we've chosen the Four of Cups. The Four of Cups is a fantastic card of the week. It really allows us to become solid and secure in how we feel. The Four of Cups asks you, are you emotionally secure? Okay? We all have to deal with our insecurities at some point. So this card really returns us to the place where we feel emotionally secure. So go back to your basics this week and start loving yourself. You know, this is some of the hardest homework that I give some of my clients is to love themselves. People find this to be a very alien place, but it is the basic foundation of growth and really honoring who you are. So if you want to become more emotionally secure, practice loving yourself every day. Every day, whatever that looks like for you, okay? You also might be feeling like emotionally stagnant. At the Four of Cups, there can be a level of stagnation where we're like, oh, I am just so done. I need to open up these things that maybe I've shoved down, not looked at, repressed within my heart. And sometimes it's time to open up that heart center so that we can heal, okay? The heart center is just a beautiful place, you know, and it is the fourth chakra, right? So we're resonating within the heart all the time, all the time. Whether we go up, it's the fourth one. Whether we come down the chakra system, it's the fourth chakra. So the Four of Cups really says, okay, what's in your heart? What needs to be healed? Either you're going to overcome emotional stagnation and or build an emotional security within yourself. So practice loving yourself. Don't be afraid to feel what you need to feel this week. All right? Enjoy the Four of Cups. Let me know if you have any questions. There's plenty of tools and techniques out there to help you accept your feelings and allow them to work through you and be a part of you without really having too much sway for your entire life. Enjoy the Four of Cups. Talk to you soon.